At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first taco holder by Ovation Home is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Made of stainless steel. Comes in a 2 or 4 pack with or without handles, holds up to 12 tacos in all. Safe for use in the oven or on the grill. Sturdy, BPA free, and dishwasher safe. Each tray is 4 inches long by 8 inches wide and 2 inches tall. Lightweight and versatile. Here are the cons. A little bulky to store. Doesn't easily fit on a standard plate. The edges are a little sharp but safe. The best reviews bottom line. A sturdy, professional-grade taco holder that stands out for its versatility. We rated this Amazer taco holder as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Comes in a 2-pack, each capable of holding 2 to 3 tacos, depending on which side is up. Inexpensive. Safe for both oven and grill use. Works well with soft and hard taco shells. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Made from food-safe stainless steel. Here are the cons. Holders are small and don't sit completely level when positioned to hold 3 tacos. The best reviews bottom line. An affordable stainless steel taco holder that can also be used for baking and grilling. The next taco holder by Kids Funwares is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Food safe polypropylene plastic. Free of BPA and phthalates. Holds 2 tacos or other foods like sandwiches. Dishwasher safe. Also comes in Tacosaurus and Nachosaurus shapes. Here are the cons. Not for use in the microwave. Only fits standard size shells, not larger ones or stand and stuff shells. The best reviews bottom line. Made from food-safe ABS plastic, this prehistoric taco holder is a great way to get kids to eat tacos, sandwiches, and other foods. We rank this homey product taco holder as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Made of BPA-free plastic. 12 multicolored holders in all. Dishwasher safe, and they stack for easy storage. Lightweight. Good size, holds a variety of hard and soft taco shell sizes. Here are the cons. Some say these are on the thin and flimsy side. May warp when exposed to heat. The best reviews bottom line. A fun and colorful taco holder set that is also microwave safe, although some owners feel the quality here leaves a bit to be desired. This taco holder by Taco Stand Up is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Thick, durable plastic is dishwasher and freezer safe. Made from food-grade, BPA-free ABS. Works well for both hard and soft taco shells. Comes in an 8-pack. Other size packs are also available. And slide together for easy storage. Here are the cons. Not for use in a microwave. Some claim that the bottom curve is too wide. Both soft and hard shell tacos won't stand up well. The best reviews bottom line. Made of durable, thick plastic, these holders stack on their ends for easy storage or presentation.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you.
Tell you about a great find that I found on Amazon. If you're looking for a taco holder, this is the one. It's wooden, but different than the metal ones. It doesn't have the sharp edges. It's quality, it's smooth, and you will never get rust on these wooden ones. They clean up like a dream. Soap and water, it's great. You can put your soft shell tacos in here and they hold well. Look at this. Look how easy they go in. You can fill them then. You can put your hard shell tacos in here. You can serve 8 tacos. So if you have a big family, you're gonna want 2 of them. And your insides don't fall out. That's the best part. Every time I'd make tacos, they'd fall over, the insides would fall out. Your insides will not fall out. You've got to get one of these taco holders.